Hello and welcome to another episode of the Timeless Food Travels. Today I'm actually here in QC Project 4 and I wanted to check out this place right here, the Vegan Options Health Food Mart. Healthy food is something that's kind of difficult to find here in the Philippines, and vegan vegetarian foods especially is a tall order to find. I looked up this place before and it looks like it's a good choice to have. So let's see what they have here in the store. Hey, what's up, man? This here is TJ. He works and lives in this place over here upstairs with his family.
Yeah.
So he knows everything basically about this place, right?
Yeah.
More or less. You know what? Let's check out the main dishes first. What do they have here? This here is what? Mungo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew that one. Cool. This is
Jackfruit Nuggets.
Jackfruit Nuggets. All right. This is tofu, but what is that tofu with?
Mapu Tofu. Mapu Tofu.
Okay, is that spicy? It looks like it should be spicy, yeah?
Yeah, I think it's a bit spicy.
Okay. I'm actually very interested in that one. That's Pansit, right?
Yeah,
but what is
Pansit,
that?
of course.
And this, of course, is talong. Right?
Yeah. No, it's just called eggplant.
Eggplant, but eggplant is talong, right?
Yeah, it's talong.
Yeah, I knew that. See, I'm learning some Filipino Tagalog words. And over here, they're actually selling some of the ingredients that they're using for the main dishes.
Would you like for me to, give out my favorite item?
Yeah, what is your favorite item here?
Okay. So it's not actually really, in stock right now, but if it's in stock in this aisle right here, it has to be the rice crackers.
Rice crackers, okay.
It tastes, tastes tasty.
This is original, they're spicy and sour cream flavors.
Yeah, I think we only have the original, sorry.
So this you would eat something similar to potato chips, basically, right?
Yeah.
Looks like it should be a nice, healthy snack. And coconut crisps. This looks like it should be good.
Yeah, it says 100 real fruits and veggies.
Nice.
It says.
This looks like a nice mix also. Freshly harvested. All right,
Stop.
then I see you have noodles. Is it the same kind of noodles that the pancit is made out of? Or what is it?
Honestly, I don't know.
You don't know, okay.
Yeah.
I see. So you don't know everything, that's fine. Not a problem. Veggie chocolates. What is this? This looks
You
interesting.
can actually make it like, vegan nuggets.
Kind of like similar to chicken nuggets except made of vegetables.
Yeah.
Okay. I like
Soy protein.
Yeah, I like that they're basically replacements for common
Yeah.
meat dishes. And then, oh yeah, there's more pancit here.
Hunts.
Big beans. Yeah, Hunt's is a big popular brand.
I know.
Very popular in the US as well. I already purchased a bag like this before, and this is excellent. This is basically kind of like tofu, soy, and corn protein.
Yeah.
A giant bag like this is a kilogram over here. It goes for 350 pesos, and it's fantastic to bulk up basically any meal. Add this to your existing dishes, as long as you soak it in water first. And instead of adding meat to your dishes, you can just add that, and it's a very easy way to kind of expand on your meals. Oh, they also have some drinks. So this is what, grape?
Grape, yeah, that's grape.
Coconut?
I think, yeah. And that's blue lemonade, and I think this is Four Seasons.
Four Seasons, okay. I'm not sure what that flavor is, but...
Yeah, I
oh, and you have frozen foods also available,
yeah? Sure.
Here. Oh, you have French fries?
Got French fries, we got, onion rings.
Oh, okay.
Vegan onion rings. We got fresh noodles.
Okay.
This is one of my favorite, frozen foods.
Vegan soy nuggets, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that looks like it should be nice.
And this is tempeh, if you heard
What's
of
tempeh?
that.
I'm not familiar with that one.
And this is mushroom balls.
Mushroom balls?
Yeah.
Wow, I'll probably want to get one of those before I leave.
This is tocino.
Tocino? Made of what?
It's actually made of soy protein, like I said.
Okay, nice.
It's not, well, it tastes like tocino.
It tastes like tocino,
Yeah.
okay.
This is lechon, but this is not. It's not the real one. It's not.
Soy lechon.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, we
Ooh,
got
empanada.
empanada. Yeah.
Nice. Everything here is kind of self-explanatory, I suppose. And all of this is made of some kind of tofu mix, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And mushroom bops. Mushroom bops?
Yeah. We only got 2.
That looks really good.
Yeah.
Looks like there's some kind of sauce or seasoning in there. Okay. All right, well...
And you can actually look at the walls.
Oh yeah, plus there's that too.
Yeah.
Shop online, free delivery, 500 pesos for 8 ulams. It's a good deal. Oh yeah, and this is actually the menu for some of the things we were just looking at in the freezer.
Yeah, and that is rice balls. We can
a layout.
Stop
Oh, you
right
have kombucha
now.
also. Kombucha
Yeah.
is a very good healthy drink.
I'll open it. Yeah.
And what is this here?
That's
Soy milk? Soy milk, yeah, I figured.
Jinx.
And you have sugar cane over here, right?
Yeah, that's sugar cane.
Nice.
Sugar cane juice.
Oh, you have sugar cane juice here available too. I love sugar cane juice. First time I tried it was actually when I was visiting Cuba.
Nice.
Delicious stuff. All right, well, oh, shish kebab also. Wait, I can't miss that. Shish kebab has always been one of my favorite things to eat. Of course, this would be quite different from what I used to, but I bet it's good as well. Now I'm going to be actually getting some food because I am quite hungry.
I'm gonna call someone, right?
It's been a long time since I was in a vegan restaurant. In fact, I made a video about a vegan restaurant in Makati City when I was living over there, and that was on my original channel, The Time-Lapse Traveler. So please do check out that channel when you have a chance after you're done visiting here. But yeah, that was a really cool experience that I had as well.
Subscribe!
Yeah, please subscribe.
Subscribe and like the channel right now.
Yeah, you heard it here. All right, so I think I already made my decisions over here. I am going to get some of this jackfruit here.
Sure. I'll just give you two.
All right.
All right, so...
Then this tofu right here.
So where to put? Where to put it? Oh, my bad. My bad. It says only one.
Oh, okay. Oops.
Sorry.
Oh no!
Isa lang.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we're here.
All right.
Put it here.
Yes, please.
All right. Want some, sabaw? No.
Oh, yeah, sabaw. Yeah, please. Actually, maybe you could pour that on the rice. Yum.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay, good.
And I'll give you more. Yeah. Yep. Next.
And some of this
Pansit or...
Pansit it is.
All right. I'll just put it like by the rice, okay?
Okay, sure. This is your first time serving a customer?
Yeah.
All right. First time in the video and first time serving a customer. It's a lot of firsts for this kid over here today. All right.
All right. And I'll give you, soup. I'll give you soup.
Okay,
I
sure.
think.
Thanks.
And, oh, my bad.
And then I'll just have some water. I was thinking what drink I should have, but
Ate may sabaw.
cannot go wrong with water.
I'll give him sabaw.
Another thing that I appreciate over here is that they have a self-service section for the condiments, so that you can, basically flavor it up however you want.
Okay.
First, I'll try it basically as is, but then I might check out some of these sauces over here. And I'll get a spoon and a fork, a cuchara, and a tiny door. Teeny door, tiny door.
Excuse me.
I prefer to say tiny door.
Here,
It's more
sure.
fun that way. Oh, and comes with a soup.
Yeah,
Awesome. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right.
I hope you enjoy our food and have an amazing day.
I appreciate it. TJ is such a cool little kid. 11 years old and is already working, servicing customers. Well, starting today anyway. All right. So this here is the meal, and thank you very much, TJ. I'm going to be enjoying this right now. I'm gonna dig in first. Let's see what I'm gonna try first. I think I'm gonna try the tofu first. Very soft. It's a bit light in flavor. I thought it was gonna have like a little bit of a kick. I wouldn't say that it has that. Next, let's try the noodles, the pansit. Kind of a little bit on the basic side. Nothing really too intense, but there's a piece of tofu in there. It's got like this really nice firm texture. That's nice. If I didn't know better, I would have said for sure that's chicken. I think, yeah, it really has the mouthfeel of manok. So that's really good. Next, the jackfruit. This reminds me a little bit more of a potato knish or something. Nice. Definitely my favorite thing here. Too bad you only get one. But that tastes really nice. Even after tasting it, it still seems more like a potato knish. The rice with some of the sabak, the broth placed on top of it. Yeah, very nice. I would say this is a very good set. And for 150 pesos, it's a bargain. Plus you also get the soup. Let's see how this broth is. Nice flavor. This is good. Oh, I like the soup. But there's really nothing in there. Like it's very, very, this is just like a plain broth. I'm not sure what flavor this is, but it does taste really good. One thing that I like about it is that it's not too salty. There are way too many instances when food in Filipino restaurants ends up being way oversalted, but this is not. For sure, I could say that I could recommend this. To add a little bit more of a kick, more of textured flavor, I think I am gonna go ahead and add some of the sauce. Let's see what kind of sauce will make sense to put in here. Buffalo sauce. I don't know what kind of flavor that will give, but let's give it a try. I think that the tofu could really use a little something. Maybe let's try a little bit first. I don't want to go overboard with it just yet. Maybe I'll go overboard with it later. Barbecue sauce, but let's try it. Okay. And what is this one? Ooh, sweet chili sauce. This one I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like. And that I'm actually gonna put around the Pansit/rice area right here. I think I'm gonna be a little bit more generous with this one. Okay. Then they have very, very bright looking ketchup. It's probably banana ketchup. I don't know. But I'm gonna leave that one alone for now. And is this black pepper? Kinda cough. Black pepper is empty. Hey TJ, black pepper is empty. What's up with this? Do you have any more black pepper around? No. Alright, that's too bad. Okay, I'll just put this empty container back. You know what? Maybe I'll just keep it up here as a reminder for whoever is going to be restocking it. Sure, it's my pleasure. Alright, let's get back to this. Now that I've spiced it up a bit, I'm very curious about the two sauces that I put next to the tofu. That's like an adventure into the unknown. Nice, yeah. That was a good idea to add it in there. As a combination of all these items, it works really well. The more I'm having this broth, the more I'm enjoying it actually. Just a quick little aside. I discovered that the best way to enjoy this rice, or basically when you have, plain steamed rice like this, and if you have thin broth like this, take a spoon of it and then dunk it in the soup. And then guess what? That's how you make the plain white rice and the soup go very well together. Excellent stuff. Now I already have an idea of what this food is like, more or less. So I'll get back to you when I'm done. Well, alright, the meal is done. Just about. I left this little bit of rice over here because I put a lot of that sweet chili sauce over here, but ironically, I thought that this was going to be my favorite sauce. It turned out to be the least because, I don't know, something about it just didn't hit right, and I decided to leave that piece alone. Fortunately, it was only a little bit, and there was more than enough rice for me anyway. So overall, this dish was satisfying. The soup absolutely put it over the top into the level of me recommending it. However, there are a couple of caveats. I would say that some of the parts of the meal were kind of not very flavorful. They were slightly on the bland side, but that's actually not a problem since you do have those sauces over there that you can spice it up with and make it more interesting, give it some more texture and personality. Something that I very highly recommend. Because if you just have the meal as is, it does fall a little bit flat, especially if it wasn't for this excellent broth. So those sauces are very highly recommended. If they could only expand on the condiments a little bit, make sure that the black pepper is in stock because just now they just simply ran out. This is a very nice little place that I can highly recommend. And with an excellent staff member like TJ over here. Yeah. Very, very cool location. Also, before leaving here, I'm actually going to be getting these mushroom balls, vegan mushroom balls. Yeah, because it's going to be kind of like pasalubong for me to enjoy at home later and to have something to enjoy from this place later on. Yeah, so this is a really cool place. I very highly recommend the vegan options. And thank you, TJ, for being the awesome, excellent server. Yeah. So this is where I'm going to close out this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button.
Subscribe!
That's right. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Always take care of yourselves and each other. And of course, keep looking out for more fun and exciting videos coming at you from the Timeless Food Travels. And don't forget to check out my main channel, The Time Lapse Traveler. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye!